Claude just fixed its session limit problem. And to do it, they had to go to the one guy who called them evil. And the person is Elon Musk. Yes. And the wildest part, he said yes. But let me back up because this story is actually insane from the start. Like a few weeks ago, Anthropic had a quiet little crisis on their hands. Claude Code was getting so much usage that the servers just couldn't keep up. Every 5 hours, hard stop and Claude's done. Come back later, and during peak hours, the limit dropped even lower. So the time when everyone needed it most was exactly when it worked the least. Classic. And it got so bad that Anthropic was genuinely considering pulling Claude Code off the $20 plan completely, not tweaking it, not adjusting it, removing it. They were that close to sending out a "we regret to inform you" email. And then instead of doing that, they went and secured the entire Colossus One data center from SpaceX. 220,000 NVIDIA GPUs, 300 megawatts of power, not a partnership, not shared access. The whole building, all of it theirs. And immediately three things changed for you. 5 hour rate limits on Cloud Code doubled. Every paid plan. Right now, peak hours throttling gone, completely removed. Opus API rate limits raised significantly. Three problems that were annoying you last week fixed this week. Now about the Elon part, because we need to talk about it. This is the same person who publicly called Anthropic misanthropic and evil. Not a vacuum criticism, not a subtweet. He said it directly. Then last week he met the Anthropic team and some conversations and posted, "No one set off my evil detector." Incredible. The man invented the detector, aimed it at them, and is now surprised it didn't beep. And just to keep things interesting, he also mentioned he reserves the right to reclaim the compute if Claude misbehaves. So Claude is currently working at double the speed under a probation clause and from a landlord who is still making up his mind, living the dream honestly. And Dario Amadoy, through all of this, total silence, no response, no comments, nothing, just quietly walked away with 220,000 GPUs like nothing happened. That's not unbothered, that's a different level of bothered. Like where you are so unbothered, it becomes a statement. And this is just the start. Anthropic now has compute deals with Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and SpaceX. They are even in talks about orbital computes like Claude running from satellite in space, which means someday you will be asking Claude to fix your code and it will be doing it from orbit, looking down at all of us, still telling you there is a missing semicolon. So if rate limits were stopping you from going all in on Claude code, that problem is gone. And the only question now is what you actually build. And drop it in the comment. I'm genuinely curious. And subscribe because this space doesn't slow down, and neither do I.